So once you open the box, you will find the product manual which tells you how to install the product. After that, you will find a clean air label which you can place it on the Spilt AC. So these are the flow boosters. So this is the main product. This is the air coated filter and the white frame. Along with this, you will also get another black frame and extender with another HEPA filter. So now I'll show you how to assemble the winter version. First, you have to connect both the frames, then you have to put both the HEPA filters, and this is how your winter version will look like. Before installing on the Spilt AC inlet, you have to remove the white tape. So this is the time indicator which tells your filter life. So once you remove the white tape, you have to install on the top of your AC inlet, just like this. So once you press the time indicator, the red liquid will tell you the 1 month, 6 month and 12 month of your filter life. End your installation by adding the clean air label, which helps your AC stand out and shows it assured with air. Not only this, you can measure your filter life with the Filtrix color scale.